Good morning, everyone. This is Marvin Eisen, and it's December 15th, a Wednesday. And today on December 15th, looking at our economic calendar, we see 2 p.m. Federal Reserve FOMC. So, oh, say, can you see? It's FOMC. And today at 2 p.m., the markets are expecting a jolt as the Federal Reserve is expected to take a big step toward its first rate hike in years. So that's going to create quite a stir in the market. It'll go up, it'll go down, it'll go sideways. But any way it goes, it's going to go quickly. So at 2 p.m., you should not be trading unless you are looking for a real roller coaster ride with your money. At any rate, this is just a quick video for today, and I want to go to the chart. And remember that this week, the end of the week, is end of contract, so we're rolling over our emini contracts to the ESH or MESH2 for MESH for emini or micro emini 2022. That's the March expiration. So we're starting out the day, and I have my Taylor numbers set up on my chart, as I do every day, and I send these numbers to my students. I calculate them the night before based on market patterns over the previous few days. And I also place the previous day's close, as a horizontal line. And the market is opening right at yesterday's close. And typical on FOMC, the market basically just moves around a little bit. There's a little action in the morning as the computers and the traders are looking to have a little fun. And then at 2 p.m., boom. So we'll see what happens then. Anyway, keep your powder dry, trade safe. Thanks for watching. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and if you're looking for a little help and knowledge trading e-minis and micro e-minis, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. See you in my next video, and have a great day.